Have you ever wondered about the incredible odds of having quintuplets? It's a 1 in a million story that starts at the very beginning of life, at the moment of fertilization. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating biological journey that leads to 5 babies at once. It's a tale of perfect timing, incredible odds, and a little bit of biological magic. So, how do quintuplets even happen? There are actually two main ways. The first is through what we call polyzygotic or fraternal quintuplets. This is the more common path for high-order multiples. Imagine this. Instead of releasing just one egg during a cycle, a woman's body releases 5 separate eggs. If each of these 5 eggs is then fertilized by a different sperm, you get 5 unique embryos. These siblings are just like any other brothers and sisters, sharing about 50% of their DNA. They can be a mix of boys and girls and might look completely different from one another. This hyperovulation can happen naturally, but it's often associated with fertility treatments that stimulate the ovaries to produce more eggs. Now, let's talk about the second path, which is even more mind-boggling: monozygotic or identical quintuplets. This is where the real miracle of cell division comes into play. It all starts with just one egg and one sperm. After fertilization, this single embryo, called a zygote, begins to divide. But instead of just growing into one baby, it splits. And then it splits again and again in a precise sequence to create 5 genetically identical embryos. Can you even imagine the odds? 4 identical quintuplets to form, one embryo has to split into 2, and then one of those has to split again, and then one of those has to split again, and so on. The exact mechanism is a bit of a mystery to science, but it's an incredible example of nature's power. These siblings will all be the same gender and look strikingly alike because they share the same exact DNA. Of course, it's also possible to have a combination of both. For example, a woman could release 3 eggs. 2 of those eggs get fertilized and develop normally, while the third fertilized egg splits into 3 identical embryos. The result, a set of quintuplets made up of one pair of fraternal twins and a set of identical triplets. This mix and match scenario is what makes every set of quintuplet story completely unique. The possible combinations are truly fascinating. From the moment of fertilization, the journey for these 5 tiny embryos is a fight for survival. Each one needs to successfully implant into the wall of the uterus to continue growing. This is a critical step, and for 5 embryos to all implant successfully is another layer of this incredible miracle. The mother's body then has to adapt to supporting 5 growing lives, which is a monumental task. The demands on her system are immense, from nutrients to space. It's a testament to the strength and adaptability of the human body. So, whether it's through 5 separate eggs meeting 5 separate sperm, a single embryo embarking on an incredible journey of splitting, or a combination of both, the formation of quintuplets is one of nature's most spectacular events. It all begins in that tiny, microscopic world of cells, with a cascade of events that have to align perfectly. It's a powerful reminder of the complexity and wonder of human life. What an amazing story of life beginning times 5. Thanks so much for watching and exploring this incredible topic with me. If you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science and life. See you in the next video.